tiny little hands, you know? They're just tiny little hands. So I backpack. And if you don't know what backpacking is, it is when you camp, but instead of going to a campground, you put everything on your back and carry it into the woods on a hike. And then whenever you stop hiking, you camp there. And because I backpack and camp at places that don't have restrooms, I have absolutely taken a dump outside. Everybody poops, man, and when you're living in the woods, you gotta go in the woods. In fact, I own a trowel. To dig a hole in the ground, to take a dump in the woods. What I will say is that I don't enjoy it. It is probably my least favorite part of backpacking, having to go to the bathroom in the woods. I don't like it. I don't know anyone who does enjoy it. Hi Bruiser, how are you? But it's definitely happened. Yeah. It is all about preparedness. Being prepared. You're right. There's always an exception to the rule. Always. Always. I think this is gonna need more flour. This was 3.5 cups of flour. But yeah, this is definitely gonna need more. Maybe just a little at a time? But yeah, I know I'm a glamorous person. My life is glamorous. But one of my favorite hobbies is backpacking and camping. So, when you spend a lot of time outdoors, you gotta go to the bathroom in the woods. Hi Darksider, how are you? The allergy's gone now? Oh, that's such a relief. I'm so glad. Oh, the other thing that I need to do is, I know I could take care of you, I'm a nurse tonight, is I need to prep a loaf of bread, because I need to bake a loaf of bread tomorrow morning.